going to show you how I make buffalo shrimp salad. Watch. First thing I'm going to do is I actually took some of this Zatarain's and I put it into 2 bags so that if it leaked through, I would have something to cover it up. Take my shrimp that I've already had washed, deveined, peeled, and I just put it into the grease. But first I want to get some more shrimp. I only have a couple in here. Add it to there. I have some shrimp that has already been thawed out over here in my sink. Just take it out. I do actually, rinse it again. Make sure you are de-thawing your shrimp with cold water. It's one of the first things you want to do. Take it, put it in here. Shake it up. Shake it, shake it. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. But you do want to make sure you shake it good. I'm going to make sure it's all coated properly. That is some of the shrimp that I've already fried. This is a very simple process. I always try to make sure my grease is hot. Yep, it's ready to go. I'm going to take them. Very simple. The shrimp, I would say, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. Shrimp cooks very quick. You want to make sure you don't overcook it. You want your shrimp to stay nice and big and juicy. Alright, I just try to get as much as I can in a pan at one time because I don't feel like doing this all day. Alright guys, now the shrimp has started to float. It's ready to come out. Again, you don't want to get it too brown. You still want them to stay succulent and delicious. And guys, I didn't add any seasoning to this. All I used was the Zatarain's seasoned breading. And this is actually for the fish fry. I mean, there's one for shrimp, but this works just fine. It's got a hint of lemon in it. I absolutely love it. Alright, all we're doing with this is just taking it out. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and turn off this grease. What I am going to do is go ahead and actually, I'll just turn this one on. What we're going to do now is take some butter. We're going to heat it up in the pan, and we're going to add some Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. With this, it's just going to make the shrimp even more delicious. It's going to add a little spice. It's not too hot. That's what I like about Frank's Red Hot sauce. It's really good. I like Texas Pete and I like Frank's. Those are the 2 hot sauces that I really like. And so I also wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be using. I'm just going to use a bag of salad, and then I made some jalapeno ranch myself. Very simple. What I like to use is this Hidden Valley Simple Ranch.
With a dab of ranch, we can make it happen.
Dressing. It's just classic ranch. And I actually bought some jalapenos in a can. These are pickled. They're really good. They come with onions and carrots. It really has a good spice to it. And the flavor is just delicious from that vinegar. And all I do is put it in the food processor, and this is what you get. It's really good. I let that sit. I probably make this like an hour before we actually eat it so that it can have all the flavor of the jalapenos. Super delicious. If you don't really like spicy, you don't have to add that. You can just use ranch. It's just what I like to do. Alright. So now that butter is starting to melt, I'm going to go ahead and add the hot sauce. You can be as generous as you want to. I love hot sauce. So there you go. Just going to let that heat up. Bear with me just a second. I'm going to go ahead and spatula out. Just going to move that around. Doesn't matter if that butter is not fully melted before you put your shrimp in. What you're worried about is getting all of that hot sauce mixed in. And I think the butter just helps it to coat to the shrimp. And then what you do is just take it and put it into the pan. Remember, the shrimp is already cooked through. You're not doing this for a long time, just a little bit. Take that, move that over to the side. See that bubble? That's what you want. Now make sure that each shrimp has a place within the pan. Make sure you have a big pan. And then once you get it on the bottom, you're going to let that sit for a couple minutes. And then you just flip them over. Going to turn that heat back down to the medium. Let's go ahead and start flipping. And now, guys, everything's complete. The shrimp took less than 2 minutes, maybe 2. Got my bag of salad. I just put the shrimp right on top. You can do it while it's hot. It will only take a moment to cool down. I'm going to take this beautiful, delicious jalapeno ranch and you just put it on top, as much or as little as you want. And then there you go. So delicious, easy, quick for the family. Kind of healthy, kind of not, but it tastes really good. Thank you guys for watching. Love you.